In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to send out all the notifications to accepted artists that have been accepted into an exhibition. So as part of the submission process, this Google spreadsheet is automatically updated with all of the artwork submissions into your open call. So in this example, for this open call, this gallery is allowing up to 3 submissions per artist. So each submission is color coordinated by piece 1 purple, piece 2 yellow, and piece 3 green. So when the juror receives this Google spreadsheet and they see all of the individual submissions separated by row, all they have to do in order to record which pieces they want to accept into the show is, say for example, they want to accept the artwork in row 4, but they want to accept only piece 1 for artists in row 4. So all they would do is scroll to the very end of this Google spreadsheet and type in this field, accepted. So that way, when the gallery director or the gallery receives this list back from the juror, all they have to do is use this Google spreadsheet to send out the notifications. So now let me show you the process of sending out the notifications. So once the gallery director or the gallery receives the Google spreadsheet back from the juror of all of the accepted pieces, all the gallery director has to do is go to this form and type in the email of the accepted artist, and then piece 1, specify accepted. Piece 2, if it was not accepted, you would just put not accepted, and then click submit. And then what happens is a whole sequence of actions take place. First, the artist is notified of their artwork being accepted and which piece specifically was accepted into the show. So it basically pulls the information that the artist inputted into their application and letting them know that your artwork, the title of piece 1, has been accepted into the show. They will receive an email, they will receive a text message. The artist not only receives a confirmation email and text message of the work-specific title piece that was accepted into the show, but they also get added to reminder automations for intake, for opening reception, for gallery talk. It's super streamlined and automates the entire process. And then what happens next is that artwork submission for that accepted piece is automatically populated onto a second Google spreadsheet, which is a product Google spreadsheet file of all of the accepted pieces. So once you've completed notifying all of the accepted artists that were accepted into the show, now let me show you in the next video how to notify the not accepted artists.